Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at the unseen science behind railway tracks.
Well, the answer is a complex system of precision engineering we take for granted every day.
This system is called the permanent way, but it requires constant attention. Let's dive in.
Okay, the first challenge is the foundation. It starts with a precisely engineered bed of crushed stone.
For the really heavy load lines, this cushion of clean stone has to be at least 300 millimeters deep.
All right, problem one, navigating curves at speed. Let's just say physics is not on your side.
The solution is a simple but brilliant idea called cant, also known as superelevation.
And this just shows the difference. Cant means a smoother ride and way less wear on the tracks.
But you've got to get the speed just right. Going too slow creates its own set of problems.
Okay, next challenge. Temperature. Metal expands and contracts with some seriously incredible force.
If you don't manage that force, well, it could easily just bend and buckle the entire track.
The fix starts by welding rails into these long, continuous pieces to get rid of weak spots.
Then, these special expansion joints are put in. They basically let the massive steel track breathe.
So get this, even routine maintenance is completely dictated by the rail's temperature.
Okay, let's move on to one of the most mechanically complex parts, the switch.
This whole assembly is called a turnout, and it's basically a puzzle of precisely machined steel.
So what's really happening here? A movable tongue rail moves to meet the fixed stock rail.
And that minimum distance the tongue has to move, the throw, is a super precise 115 millimeters.
The geometry of that turnout is what directly sets the safe speed for the train.
Our final challenge is the constant battle with wear and tear. And some dangers are totally invisible.
The answer is surprisingly elegant. Engineers use sound to see right inside the solid steel.
This is all part of a multi-layered inspection system, so absolutely nothing gets missed.
These high-tech cars are constantly providing a stream of data, making sure the track is perfect.
So the big takeaway is that the permanent way is never really permanent. It's always a work in progress.
It's a hidden world of engineering, all just to ensure safety on every single journey.